In the shadows of the Cold War, a secret battle was being fought. Not with tanks, not with bombs, but with spies, secret messages, hidden cameras, and deadly intelligence operations. For nearly 50 years, the United States and the Soviet Union fought a silent war of espionage, where one stolen secret could change the balance of global power. This is the story of the Cold War spy operations that shaped the world. Full documentary script. After World War II ended in 1945, the world quickly divided into two powerful camps. On one side was the United States and its allies. On the other side stood the Soviet Union and the Communist bloc. Although these superpowers never fought each other directly in a full-scale war, they competed in every possible way: military power, nuclear weapons, technology, and influence around the globe. But perhaps the most dangerous battlefield was the world of intelligence, and as this period became known as the Cold War. And in this war, spies became some of the most important weapons. The United States created powerful intelligence agencies, like the Central Intelligence Agency, the CIA. Meanwhile, the Soviet Union relied on its feared security service, the KGB. Both organizations built massive spy networks across the world. Their mission was simple: steal secrets before the enemy does. These secrets included nuclear weapons, research, military strategies, satellite technology, and even political plans. One of the most famous Cold War spy stories was the U-2 spy plane incident in 1960. The United States secretly flew high-altitude spy planes over Soviet territory to photograph military bases and missile sites. The aircraft flew so high that American leaders believed it was impossible to shoot down. But on May 1st, 1960, the Soviets successfully shot down a U-2 spy plane, piloted by Francis Gary Powers. When the Soviets captured the pilot alive, the United States was caught in a major international scandal. The incident increased tensions between the two superpowers and embarrassed the American government. Another dramatic chapter of Cold War espionage involved double agents. These were spies who pretended to work for one country while secretly serving another. One of the most damaging cases was Aldrich Ames, a CIA officer who secretly worked for the Soviet Union. During the 1980s, Ames revealed the identities of several American agents working inside the Soviet Union. Many of those agents were arrested, imprisoned, or executed. The betrayal shocked the intelligence community and showed just how dangerous espionage could be. But the Cold War also produced incredible spy technology. Both sides developed tiny hidden cameras, invisible ink, secret radio transmitters, and disguised listening devices. In one famous case, the Soviet Union even gave the United States a carved wooden seal as a diplomatic gift. Hidden inside it was a secret listening device that allowed Soviet intelligence to spy on American conversations for years. The Cold War spy war was not just about gathering secrets. It was about survival. Each side feared the other might launch a nuclear attack. Accurate intelligence could mean the difference between peace and global destruction. Because of this, intelligence agencies became one of the most powerful tools of national security. Finally, in 1991, the Soviet Union collapsed. The Cold War officially ended, but the world of espionage did not disappear. Today, intelligence agencies around the world still operate in secrecy, continuing the silent battle for information, because in modern warfare, knowledge can be more powerful than weapons. And the legacy of Cold War spy operations continues to influence global intelligence today.